Good morning, everyone. We are looking at one of two Zacconi models we got from a customer. Both had some issues. This one in particular needed a tune-up, but also underneath it was having some wiring issues. So we replaced a lot of wires. We actually had to use some silicone to seal off some bolts because it was leaking from the bottom. But now this unit's running, so let's run a shot. Build some pressure. And there we go. It's a bit of a slow pull. Our coffee grind may be a bit too fine. May have used a bit too much. It's a relatively small portafilter, but as you can see, it's really good color. Good color in the coffee. And there you have it.